Dubai, a success story. Dubai, a city that has risen from the desert sands to become a global hub of innovation and prosperity. In just a few short decades, Dubai has transformed itself into a metropolis of towering skyscrapers, luxury hotels, and bustling business districts. Its strategic location as a gateway between East and West has made it a key player in global trade and finance. But Dubai's success is not just built on its impressive skyline. It is a testament to the vision and determination of its leaders, who have worked tirelessly to create a business-friendly environment that attracts investors from around the world. From the iconic Burj Khalifa to the man-made Palm Jumeirah, Dubai is a city of superlatives, constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible. But perhaps Dubai's greatest achievement is its ability to blend tradition with modernity, preserving its rich cultural heritage while embracing the future with open arms. Dubai may be a city of dreams, but it is also a city of hard work, dedication, and relentless pursuit of excellence. So next time you look up at the glittering skyline of Dubai, remember that it is more than just a collection of buildings, it is a testament to what can be achieved when vision meets determination. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories of success.